In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google to search for creative ideas on Pinterest. Our goal is to ensure that your experience is not only successful, but also smooth and enjoyable. Whether you're searching for inspiration in home decor, fashion, cooking, or even DIY crafts, these simple steps will guide you through the process. First and foremost, the journey begins with accessing Pinterest. If you're not familiar with Pinterest, it's a platform filled with creative ideas and inspiration across various topics. To get started, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Once you've done that, head over to the Pinterest website by typing in the URL or search for Pinterest through your search engine. This should lead you to the Pinterest homepage, where you can explore an endless array of ideas curated by people from all around the world. Now that you're on Pinterest, it's vital to address a crucial aspect: your internet connection. This may seem obvious, but having a stable and reliable connection makes all the difference in ensuring that the pages load without any unexpected interruptions or delays. So, what does a stable connection look like? If you're on Wi-Fi, make sure your signal is strong and consistent. You can check this by looking at the Wi-Fi icon on your device. If you're using mobile data, ensure that you have a good signal. Remember, having a smooth browsing experience allows you to focus more on the creative world of Pinterest, rather than getting frustrated with technical hiccups. Once you've confirmed that your internet connection is steady, you're all set to dive into the wonders of Pinterest. And just like that, you're done with the basic setup. From here, you can start searching for whatever inspires you. Perhaps you're planning a wedding and need unique ideas for centerpieces, or you're redecorating your home and seeking fresh design concepts. Whatever it is, Pinterest has a plethora of options to explore. To enhance your experience, consider creating a Pinterest account if you haven't already. This step is optional, but it offers a personalized space where you can save and organize your favorite ideas using boards. This feature is especially useful for long-term projects or if you frequently visit the site. It also tailors your home feed to your interests, making the discovery of new ideas even more exciting. In conclusion, using Google to find creativity on Pinterest is straightforward and rewarding. By ensuring your connection is reliable and taking advantage of Pinterest's features, you'll unlock a world of inspiration at your fingertips. Thank you for joining today, and I hope this guide empowers you to explore and discover all that Pinterest has to offer. Happy pinning!